A normal prostate is about the size of a walnut. But what happens when it swells to 212 grams, over 6 times its normal size? Sure, TURP surgery will help you pee again, but it completely ignores the root cause. If you want to actually shrink your prostate, boost your blood flow, and get your erectile function back, a band aid fix won't cut it. Today, I'm breaking down the exact diet, nitric oxide supplements, and targeted therapies, including the specific probes and massagers from my store that you need to fix the real problem. Let's get into it.
I have an enlarged prostate with a volume of 212 grams. Now, normal prostate volume is 30 grams. I've had a TURP, which helped. TURP is called transurethral resection of the prostate, which helped. Now, Viagra is not helping much lately. All right, so I just actually did a video on how pill does not help your ED. In fact, it's just a Band-Aid, and oftentimes pill does not help, especially men that had an enlarged prostate with TURP, because there's a reason why you have an enlarged prostate. Some of it is genetic, but prostate gets inflamed. It gets enlarged because it's inflamed. And what's causing it for inflammation? Could it be that from your diet? Could it be from high cholesterol? Could it be from low or too much testosterone? Either low testosterone or too much testosterone can irritate the prostate as well too. So this is the bladder. This is the prostate. It sits behind the pubic bone. Imagine your body cut in half. This is the seminal vesicle where semen is stored. So the prostate should be the size of a walnut or 30 grams. You're 6 times larger than what normal size is. So when the prostate is enlarged, it presses on your urethra where you go pee, where you urinate. Here's the urethra, and it goes through the penis and where you urinate, right? When it's like 200 grams, it's heavy, it presses on the urethra. It also presses on the bladder as well too. That's why you have urgency. That's why sometimes you have incomplete emptying of the urine. That's why you require TURP. With TURP, they go through your penis and they just shave off the prostate area that is compressing your urethra. But when it's enlarged, the nerves that go to the penis here sits on top of the prostate here, the pudendal nerve. The nerve that goes to the penis sits on top of the prostate. So when the prostate is enlarged, that nerve gets compressed, like pressure, compressed. So that indirectly affects the penis and affect ED. So the nerve that sits on top right here that goes to the penis gets affected. So that's why enlarged prostate indirectly can affect erection. And so now that you had a TURP, the TURP just fixes this here, but it doesn't fix the whole enlargement of the prostate. So there's probably some nerve compression there, and that I don't know whether you have high cholesterol, high blood pressure, or maybe you smoke, or you may even have diabetes. All of that contribute to ED as well. If you have that, then you need to start the Mediterranean diet and exercise 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week to get your blood pressure under control, your cholesterol under control, and your diabetes. So men with diabetes are 5 to 7 times more likely to get ED without even an enlarged prostate. So that's the reason why Viagra is not helping, because Viagra does not affect the nerves. Viagra, all it does is just help you increase nitric oxide in the penis muscle. That's how it helps with an erection. But if you have an enlarged prostate, it's the nerve that is affected. When the nerve is affected, then you need to work on decreasing the size of this prostate. So there's one way that you can decrease the size of this prostate is to use a prostate massager. You can go to our store and get a prostate massager at ednomore.com. It's our store where you can get the prostate massager. But I also have a prostate probe that can also help decreasing the size of the prostate, okay? What it is, I did that in one of my videos where I talked about the vibrator that goes up. You put that through the rectum and goes up to here and give infrared heat to the prostate. to help bring in more blood flow to decrease the size of the prostate. So for the person that asked me on the prostate right here, Kevin, is that the reason why you have ED is because the nerve is getting compressed and that sits on top of the prostate. You need to decrease the size of the prostate. Even though you have the TURP, that's just relieving your symptoms of urination, but it doesn't decrease the whole entire size of the prostate. The prostate needs to be smaller. I mean, prostate normal size is 30 grams. You're 200, 6 times more than, and it's just pushing up on the bladder. It's pushing up on the nerve here. So email our office, please. Email our office right here to get that prostate machine that you can do at home. And I actually will give you a video. I show you how to do it, how to insert that in. You do that daily for about 6 weeks. You will see an improvement in the size of your prostate. The first thing you're going to see is your urination will also improve as well too. So you need to decrease the size of the prostate. And I assume it's not prostate cancer. And you need to decrease the size of the prostate in order for that way it doesn't affect your ED. And then also start the Mediterranean diet, start exercising, because factors that irritate your prostate are high sugar, and high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. But all those factors are also factors that contribute to ED as well too. And also get your hormone checked. Low testosterone and high testosterone will irritate your prostate, will make the prostate higher. And then also get your DHT level, dihydrotestosterone levels checked. You don't want that level to be high. When that level is high, that's gonna irritate the prostate, make it higher. Especially it becomes high when men on testosterone replacement therapy. You don't get frequent blood work. So when you don't get frequent blood work, that level gets converted from testosterone, and it may be high without you knowing about it. And then your prostate gets enlarged and you'll be in more trouble than you want to be. So treat the prostate with the prostate massager. And then once you treat the prostate, you would then notice improvement in your symptoms and probably your erection. I would advise you also to do a penis pump as well. When you do a penis pump, you're also exercising your penis, bringing more blood flow to the penis until the prostate size decreases, and then rehabbing the penis with the pump. I hope your urologist told you to use the penis pump after the TURP, or whether you have a pump or not. You can also get it at our store at ednomore.com. So this is a penis pump I recommend. It's an electric penis pump, or you can get manual penis pump that people like. Some people like electric, depends on your preference. And I also recommend you take nitric oxide. This nitric oxide here, you do this 30 minutes before you pump. And what it does, it helps you get more blood flow to the penis before you pump. This nitric oxide is like unlike any other nitric oxide because it's made from arugula directly. So that means that when you take this, it gives you nitric oxide directly instead of if you're going to take L-arginine, L-citrulline, your body still has to convert it to nitric oxide. So it's kind of like it bypass the step that your body have to make the nitric oxide. When you take this nitric oxide, you get nitric oxide in your body right away. But if you take other supplement that has L-citrulline, L-arginine, when you take it, your body still has to convert it to nitric oxide through an enzyme. However, sometimes that enzyme after the age of 40 doesn't work. 50% of people after the age of 40 do not have that nitric oxide enzyme working. So you could just be wasting your time and wasting your money by taking L-citrulline, L-arginine enzyme in your body is not converting it to nitric oxide. You see what I'm saying? So you're just gonna have a very expensive urine because your body will just pee it out anyway. Versus the nitric oxide that we have, when you take it, it gives you nitric oxide. Your body don't have to do anything to convert it to. I suggest you take 2 before you pump. You can take up to 4 a day. However, don't take it more than 4 because it does lower your blood pressure somewhat as well too. So I wanted to show you the ingredients that we have here. And I thought that we also prostate machine here too, but we will have it back on again. And just email my office, Kevin, at admin@truongrehab.com, and we'll send you that machine. Okay? So I hope that was helpful for you. So this is the email here. All right. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself is exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.